everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama. I am going to video a customer creation. This is a 28 by 48. We call this home the St Clair, and it's a beauty. A little backstory here, this is going to my friend Channing's. He's in Indianapolis, and this is actually an investment property for him. So we've got the short side of the home is the front of the house. This is going to actually face a street. So this is front loaded. We're going to see when I climb in it in a minute. But here's the Brunswick color. And I just want to point out that this siding color will play a trick on you a little bit, because you see here when we get close and we're in a gloomy, dark place, it looks kind of black, right? But if I were to show you this same home in the sunshine, it turns, well, let's go over here. It turns into a navy blue. I think that's kind of cool if you ask me. Let's see if we can see the difference on the other side. Sorry about the wind. At least it's warm. Look at the difference. Huge. Ta-da! Okay, so here is the back side of the house. This door is going to lead into a utility room. And then you can't really tell, but underneath this plastic is the front door. So I'm going to take you through the home the best that I can, crawling through, and we'll see if we can make heads or tails of it. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Let's start in the living room. I had to take my shoes off. We're in our muddy era here. There's that front door I was talking about. By the way, we've got a little bit of a package on here. This is the drywall package. So when you walk in the front door, you're going to walk into a wide open living space. And then across the street, when this is connected, will be open to the kitchen. We're going to see that in a moment. We've got the drywall package, and in that drywall package, we're going to see these nice modern 3-panel doors, the colonial cove, of course, the drywall, a nice molded trim as well. Many, 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 many features to the drywall package. Worth every penny. 2x6 walls, all kinds of good stuff. Lineals or shutters on the outside. So walking down the hallway, when you walk into the front door, I have to watch myself. Sometimes I'm yelling at you guys. I don't mean to. I don't know why I do that. Bedroom number 2. Here's your closet. This is the second St. Clair, I've built. Bath number 2. Also part of that drywall package, we're going to see the trimmed out mirrors. We added an 8x30 transom window over the tub shower. And if you're comfortable with it, can I just recommend that you get some kind of light in your bathroom? Glacier quartzite, that's sticking around. We've got crescent edging on the countertops. We've got a hardwood Timberwolf. Bath number 2. Here's bed number 3. I think Channing is going to resell this, if I remember correctly. And he had to have a front loaded because when you're in the city like that, most of them sit up on a hill away from the street. Okay, there we go. Right, here we are on the kitchen side. So remember, this is going to open wide open into the living area on the other side of this. We've added an island, taken the cabinets to the ceiling, crescent edging, part of the drywall package, full wall of ceramic on the range wall. This is why this package is so amazing. Black cabinet handles. We did an upgraded appliance package with a side-by-side with ice and water, dishwasher, microwave over the range, drawers over doors. You guys know I'm going to have those features in there if I design it. We're going to have drawers over doors, and the cabinets are going to the ceiling every time, I promise. This would be the dining area right here. Perimeter heat is also part of that package. Yes, this is so pretty. It's a side entrance coming into the utility room. I'm not gonna climb up in this part, but over here we've got the washer and dryer. Washer dryer cabinets, part of the drywall package. Furnace is in here. Electrical panel box. Finally, we've got the primary bedroom. We've added a few things in here. We did a 16 by 60 transom window. Here's the primary bath. 019, part of the package, you get one of them. 019 cabinet. We added a walk-in shower, another transom window over this shower, dual vanity. Oh, this turned out very beautiful. Ooh, mama. Complete with a walk-in closet. All right, you can reach me at 260-383-1009. Come see me for a personal tour. I'll put you in a really nice hotel and we will spend some time going through the factory, seeing step by step how the homes are made. And I also have some homes on display. As always, thanks for watching.